Hi everyone. So initially I made this video for my family and friends last year when I first came to Alaska, but it was such a beautiful trip, and now that I have my new YouTube channel, I decided I'd like to share this with you. So this trail is called Bird Ridge Trail, and I didn't know anything about this until I was speaking with my coffee shop barista at work, and she seemed to know a lot about trips, so she told me about all sorts of hikes, and I pretty much went according to those recommendations, and that's why I went to Bird Ridge. It was definitely really beautiful. I didn't know how high it would be, and only after the hike did I realize that I almost climbed the height of Trogos Mountain, which is in Cyprus, which is where I was before. Also, my name here is it's funny, from a friend of mine called Arati. She put Alaska and my name Alan together, coming up with Alaska. I thought that was pretty creative, so hats off for that creativity. So this trip was really difficult, really beautiful, really steep, and beautiful scenery as soon as you went past the trees. At many areas it was really bare, but again the height of that trail was amazing. You overlook the coconut. If you enjoy watching these videos, I'd really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to my channel. That way you can get all the latest videos that I upload. So it keeps getting foggy and clear, rains, gets clear again. And I believe that's the end of the trail, right on top of the mountain. So what started off as a really clear, beautiful day soon turned out to be really foggy. And from the middle part of the trail onwards, it was really strange because on one side it was clear, and the other side was completely foggy. Because it rained, there's a lot of mud patches in some certain areas, so I gotta be careful where I'm walking, or else I'm gonna slide all the way down. Back up to the top. That's the tall peak that I'm aiming for. So I've reached the top, and sadly, I don't see much scenery around here, except for a little bit patches. So I'm going to sit here another 15 minutes until I get a better view.